Hi. I was like, who are you talking? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel The Beat. So before starting the actual video, a very big congratulations to everyone. We crossed 100 subscribers. Keep on supporting and loving me. And right now, देखो कौन है मेरे साथ? She is my mom. No, she's not my mom. She is like my mom because she's my best friend. Her name is Angela Rodriguez. Do follow her on Instagram. I'll mention the link below. Go and follow her. And also, today, as you can read in the title, we will be doing Who's Most Likely to Challenge. Okay, and all the questions are in this phone and we are going to start. Okay. So we have the questions on the phone and chance by chance, first I'll read, then she'll read. So this is going to be a continuous process. And also we will be pointing out ऐसा या फिर ऐसा. Okay. So let's get started. So first question is, who is most likely to take care of others when they are sick?
Sort of, I know. You can't handle, she can't handle anything. Please
No,
don't-
no, this is fake, okay? This is fake. It's just that,
It's me too. Fingers are pointing towards me. It's me. I take care. I can. You can't.
she takes care of me because I'm always sick.
Who is most likely to make some change? Is it some or someone change?
Some change, some
She
change.
will
It's
make
something.
herself change plus someone else's.
And some things also. Who's most likely to be happy?
Every single person has to be happy, okay? Who is most likely to hold their breath the longest as it possible?
I am not a
I can. I
good
swim a lot.
breath holder.
Okay.
Who is most likely to have the most piercings?
Okay. Me.
हमको ना इंजेक्शन का सुई भी टोचा ना हम पागल हो जाते हैं. So
Who is most likely to do weird things in public?
I'm so sorry. I do that. I really do that. Sometimes unintentionally, sometimes intentionally.
So never take her out.
The most embarrassed person of me is you, because I always go out with you, and I
Yeah,
continue
then
to
you
do
change
that.
me. Yes, the first answer. Like, when-
Who is most likely to worry about small things?
yeah, I do overthink, but I don't know why.
Even I overthink, but I don't let anyone know that I'm overthinking.
Who is most likely to do the bungee jump? I want to do it. I get scared.
Who is most likely to cry because of a sad movie? I'm very emotional if you go to see. But I don't show I don't express my emotions when I'm really sad.
So what is this? You're expressing now. Okay. Who is most likely to get in a fight?
Actually, none. I don't remember.
We get in a fight.
I don't remember us getting in a fight. Like, we argue, but we don't fight.
Did we? No, we didn't fight, but I with someone else.
Yeah, she fights a lot. She has lots of controversies outside. Who is most likely to fail a simple test?
Okay,
Oh.
she has a little intelligence, so it's okay.
Little intelligence.
Okay, you have.
It's just that, see, it depends on both of us. If we have a controversy with the teacher who's taking the test, she can fail us any time. So, like, in general, हम कभी fail हुए नहीं हैं ऐसे में. हुए हैं क्या?
हुए रहेंगे. क्या पता ऐसे
क्या?
जानबूझ के
It's okay. We just passed our boards. Okay.
Yeah.
Come on.
We are intelligent because we passed our board.
Okay.
Who is most likely to become a multi-millionaire? Never thought of.
Never dreamt of इतना मतलब
Yeah.
इतना भी बड़ा ऐसा ड्रीम नहीं मतलब है लेकिन ऐसा इतना वो लग्जरी वाला ड्रीम नहीं है वी आर
Proper.
या मिलियनर तो नहीं बनी
हाँ, मल्टी तो नहीं बनेंगे.
अगर तो अपना गैम्बलिंग कंटिन्यू करेगी तो हो सकता है
Who is most likely to punch a wall? But why will I?
हमारे में इतना गट्स नहीं है यार इस दिस गर्ल हु इज मोस्ट लाइकली टू मीट अ घोस्ट आई जस्ट मेट अ घोस्ट 3 years ago
I'm a living human being.
okay who is most likely to meet a ghost both of us like
It depends on the ghost. It's not on us.
he'll run away that's the
Who
different
he
thing
wants to meet him with. Who is most likely to be the best at math?
no explanation it's self-explanatory who is most likely to give all their money to the charity
Not all. Not all. Little. Okay, like half.
70% something
Yeah, at least I need 20% to live for myself.
both
Both. You.
Rian no
Who is most likely to become a drama queen? She is in a real life.
I'm a drama queen but I don't do drama
You.
who is most likely to marry a celebrity
What will the celebrity see in us? Okay, let's leave it on the celebrity.
what will that person
Yeah.
see in us that's the question
Who is most likely to have always been the heartbeat breaker?
heartbreaker
I'm not
broken any hearts
No.
you've never broken hearts you've never
Might
rejected
be. Yeah. Many. Okay, yeah. Even you, don't you?
both yeah you've done yeah who is most likely to live in a big city we both like
Yeah, she doesn't want to
city
live in a village, okay?
OSI is not a village anymore
So
People have
say
iPhone.
You don't want to live in.
okay who is most likely to watch romantic movies I don't watch romantic movies she likes okay so let me explain she likes ऐसा action movies horror action वो सब उसका है and I like
And those
movies
crime
which are
movies.
I like movies which are based on social issues and biopics because they are kind of inspiration. I am not
Okay. Who is most likely to be in a choir? Okay, both. We
both because we've always been singing and
Yeah. Dancing. Okay, you.
who is most likely to go to a Justin Bieber's concert?
We are not interested in Justin Bieber. I would have gone for Charlie Puth's concert.
Don't
He
you know
would-
that
Oh yeah, she is.
she does not know she has changed. Lockdown has changed her, I don't know why.
Justin Bieber.
This was the last question. Hey everyone, so this was who is most likely to challenge and at the end I would like to ask Angela, what do you think about me? Say something about me, something about my channel, something about our friendship, something about Clarice. Can you please tell something?
We were totally strangers in school. After from last 3 years, we are not strangers, but we are just like ghosts who are bound to be together. And yeah, she's a nice person.
Loudly.
Nice person. And she can
Neighbors को सुनाई देना चाहिए.
Yeah, she makes people laugh. You know, it goes on in even YouTube videos, and yeah, she is Okay, she's scary when she's angry. Please don't make her angry.
Never make me angry, never break my trust.
Never break anyone's trust.
Never break anyone's trust.
Yeah.
Angela Mama is giving us a life lesson. So thank you for watching, and I will be doing many challenge videos with my friends with her. Let me know how, if you like the video, and I will be coming up soon with different videos with my different friends. And yeah, so please do follow her on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram in case you want to. So the link is in description, go check it out. And until then, bye bye. This was this week's video. Next week's video will come next week. So until then,